These Oakley OO9242 HSTN round sunglasses combine a modern circular silhouette with clear references to the brand's classic sport designs, so they look stylish without losing their performance edge. The biomatter frame material feels light yet sturdy on the face, offering day-long comfort and durability that holds up well to regular outdoor use. The Prizm Black polarized lenses noticeably boost contrast and color while cutting harsh glare, which makes details easier to pick out in bright sunlight on pavement, water, or trails. Oakley Plutonite lenses provide full ultraviolet protection, filtering out ultraviolet A, ultraviolet B, ultraviolet C, and high-energy blue light for confident eye safety during long sessions outside. The hooked trigger-style arms and grippy Unobtainium nose pads keep the sunglasses secure and stable even when you are sweating or moving quickly. They come with a soft microbag that doubles as a cleaning cloth, making it easy to protect the lenses and keep vision clear when you are on the go.